Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Fiverr with Upwork and Freelancer. So let's get right into it. Starting with Fiverr, it is the easiest to start. You create a gig, set your price, and wait for clients. No proposals, no bidding. It is sleek and beginner focused with simple gig creation tools. It uses internal SEO optimize your gig and you can rank well over time. If you talk about pricing and monetization, it takes 20% of your earnings, but you set your prices great for building up fast. Now, comparing Fiverr with Upwork, it requires a profile skill. So let me get this straight. So it requires a profile skill, meaning that you need to test it up, you need to submit your proposals, and it's more effort upfront. And it is more detailed. You can showcase your full portfolio, hourly rates, and certificates. It favors top-rated profiles. So, but consistent work leads to long-term clients, and which is basically beneficial. Now, if we talk about pricing and monetization, it also takes up to 10 to 20%, but you can earn more on long-term contracts. Now, at the end, we will be comparing these both with freelancers. So, freelancer is similar to Upwork, but the interface feels a little bit outdated, and it has a steeper learning curve for newcomers. It has a lot of options, but it's cultured and can feel overwhelming for new users. Its visibility system isn't as beginner friendly, and newer accounts often struggle to land gigs. It has confusing fees and even charges for bidding on some projects, not ideal for low budget beginners. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching.